Alright, so today I'm going to do a review slash unboxing or unpackaging of the Bella+Canvas 3001 t-shirt. I know it's a pretty popular one. This one's going to be in Heather Peach, extra large, printed by Monster Digital. I think they usually do pretty well. The cost is $9 and then $4.35 shipping from and to the US. For a total, of course, of $13.35. So, here we go. And this is from Printify, through Printify. So, here we go. It's in a plastic, unfortunately, a plastic mailer. Not my favorite. I wish it could be something biodegradable or something like that. Recycled, recyclable. I guess these are technically recyclable at your local grocery store. Okay, so let's see. It is an extra large, which is what I ordered. This is the Heather Peach. I mean, it kind of just looks like peach, though. This is with the Krampus. So you can see it is decently large. It's a pretty good size. This was made with the just an image from an old Victorian card, and then you can remove the background. So yeah, this print looks pretty good. You can feel how it's printed on, though. It looks a little bit, maybe a little bit shiny, a little bit plasticky, but it shows the gradients, I feel like, pretty well of the skin, and you get a decent amount of details, even the little ladies in their clothes and in their faces. So I would say that this has worked out pretty well. Yeah, you can definitely tell that it is, I believe it is printed on it, because like I say, you can kind of see that. I can get up close. So, yeah. But it's good. It looks good. It feels soft. I know some people have had problems with some of the shirts, even the Bella+Canvas, feeling like it had a whole thing on it. I don't know what you would call that, like a whole layer, and people have had it where it has been discolored in a big rectangle. So I don't have that problem on here. Again, it did have like just a transparent background on my initial image, so I don't know if that makes a difference. Some people said it has been like as a part of the steam process. But no problems with that today. So that is that. Pretty happy with it. I'm going to give this to one of my friends. So yeah, worked out. Thanks.